Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other website. You can claim your cryptocurrency from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website. This website link available in description, and it's very easy to come here. Just I'll show you to how you can log in yourself. Okay, this is the old website, and you can just come here and just click register. Okay, put your email, username, password, confirm password, solve a captcha. You can choose your captcha. Just you can solve a captcha. You can easily come here, and right now I am going to log in. Okay, and just I type okay the captcha, just I click login. And after I reach in the minimum withdrawal, I share with you the withdrawal. This is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, and first of all you can earn is the manual faucet. The manual faucet is the one of the best way you can earn free cryptocurrency from this website. The manual faucet pay you every 2 minutes this much USD. Okay, and every day 50 time claim. And right now I claim one time because I sure this website pay me or not. Okay, first one, just solve the captcha. 8, that was 11 and 2. Okay, just come here, just one captcha available. Just solve this captcha. This one is a car. Wait few seconds to load fully. Okay, just click the cars and just click verify. Just click your reward. And after 2 minutes you can come back and claim again. The next one is the short links. You can visit the short links. You can earn your free cryptocurrency from here too. And the visit short link is you know how you can visit. This much energy you can earn, and this much USD you can earn just visiting the short links. If you visit all the short links, after that come and claim some Faucet and PTC hats, you will be able to withdraw. Okay, the next one is the PTC hats. PTC hats is much easier than for short links, and you can watch this ads for 20 seconds. This much USD pay you, and this much USD available in here every day, maybe every day going to app. And the next one is a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket. You can contest in the here, and you may be a winner in the future, and you can make much more from here too. Okay, just wait few seconds. This will be show you, and you can see this is lottery ticket, and this much hours will be rolling for the next winner, and this is the amount of the lottery. You can buy it and you can wait. It may be your winner or loser. The next one is offer wall. You know about the offer walls too. And the next one is achievements. If you reach much more achievements, it's if you complete all short links, if you complete all Faucet and 25 star short links, watch 10 PTC hats, buy lottery tickets, you will be able to earn this all cryptocurrency from here too. Okay, just it's very easy. Just complete the whole Faucet. You can earn this much energies, and the energies are very high payment. Okay, that was too great, and this website link available in description. After I receive my first withdrawal, I will share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Okay,
سلام.
Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.